Hi, Lovely and Maine. First of all, I would like to say congratulations on your demo teaching. Both of you have done well, and I hope you're proud of yourself because I'm proud for both of you. And I think nasihan din si Prof. Marte sa demo teaching niya. First of all, kay Lovely, yung continue niya, maganda yung mantra mo. Actually, kaso nga lang hindi siya masyado nagamit sa class, pero maganda siya kung na-utilize siya yung tama. You have good preliminaries, you have good speaking voice. Major strength mo is that you listen to the question. You listen first and then you answer. Talagang pinaprocess mo siya, iniintindi mo. And that's a good example of a teacher. Especially if you're VE, kasi you're processing it. So maganda, kaya yun yung strength mo. You know how to process question. You're clarifying question. You're using the answers as example. Maganda rin yan kasi nagkakaroon ng connection. Ang ganda rin kasi thematic yung activities nyo, tapos yung IMs nyo. Actually, yung outfit nyo, thematic din. So, tingin ko yung pinaka-avoid lang is that meron ka nasabi na teacher dun sa estudyante mo. Pero minor lang naman to. Yung sa board talk, medyo kailangan pa na improvement. And yun lang naman, minimal lang. All in all, you're good. Good naman yung ginawa nyo. Kay main, continuous that thematic yung IMs. Tapos, you're good at managing ideas ng mga estudyante. Yung two-way abstraction, kinukuha mo sa kanila yung content, maganda yun, nagtitiwak ka rin, eye contact with the students, that's really good. Tapos, you're listening while doing the activity. Parang yung nag-activity sila, application nata to, you're listening to them, and that's really good. Kasi that shows sincerity. Yung mga images, minsan vague lang siya. In terms of avoid, mga technicalities lang din to. Inconsistent volume of yung volume ng voice. But in all, you've done well. Congratulations.